Woodworker Anonymous here. And I want to talk about Harbor Freight tools and why the hell haven't I never been to that store before. Holy moly. There's one close to my work, and I always kind of stayed away from it because it's been, it's got such a rep of like just horrible tools. And, I inherited some tools from my dad that he bought from some, knockoff place. And I don't know if it was Harbor Freight or not, but they were garbage. So I've always stayed away from it. But I just wanted to I went into that store yesterday because I had bought one of these saws off the internet. It's like $40 on the internet, and I really like it, but it's got that spine, so I wanted one without a spine so I could do like deeper through cuts. So they had another one online for like, $40, $35, whatever. But I just checked the Harbor Freight, and they had one for $10. And I'm like, $10. I mean, I pretty much have to go over there, buy it, and like just throw it away if it's no good, right? So I haven't used it yet, but I can tell you already, I like the handle a lot better than that crappy thing. But I don't know about the blade yet. But so anyway, I walked around the store a little bit, and I was kind of feeling like, I hope nobody sees me in here kind of deal. But honestly, I started seeing things like this. These are like 6-inch F-style clamps, I guess they're called. $2.99. I mean, I'm always going through garage sales looking for clamps, and I never find any, number one. And if you do, people are asking too much. And this at $2.99, I just couldn't believe it. So I bought 4 of them. You got to be kidding me. That is a screaming deal. They feel very solid. There's very little play. They're nice and firm. I mean, it's a clamp. 6 inches. All right, listen, I had to buy it. Looked around some more. I had recently needed a pair of calipers because my old ones just aren't cutting it. They were like cheapo plastic ones. And I looked online, and I ended up buying this like Shop Fox caliper. It's got the fractional graduations on it, which is pretty cool for woodworking. And to be honest, this thing was like $75, which was pretty pricey, I thought. But I started looking at other ones online, like Starrett and all these other companies. They're hundreds of dollars. So I'm like, oh, I better buy this. So I bought this. All right, I'm happy with it. I've been using it. It works great. So while I'm walking around looking at this $3 clamp, I see a caliper there at Harbor Freight. It looks identical to this. It has the identical case. It has almost identical dial. I didn't try it, but it was $25. $25. This was $75. Now, I know it's probably not the same mechanics on the inside. I know it's got to be cheap. It's got to be a cheap knockoff, right? But I mean, I've been using like a $3 plastic one forever. I mean, do I need something that crazy? I'm not doing machinery here. I'm not building the space shuttle. So I was just kind of feeling like, wow, I just got beat for $50 buying this thing. And it's Harbor Freight, right? Am I doing a video for Harbor Freight? I'm not talking about power tools here. Just little stupid stuff, like this divider / compass thing. Stuff like that, it costs like $3. I mean, how bad can you get beat if the thing doesn't work? I mean, first of all, these tools are pretty much bulletproof. They're not going to not work. Anyway, I'll probably give you an update on that. I can tell you right now, I'll be back to Harbor Freight often and soon. I had to get out of there because I was like, I walked down 2 aisles and I'm like loading my arms up. I'm like, let me get the hell out of here. But listen, these things, there's some deals there. Check it out.